Favorite mo, oh. Wala talagang ano dito. Ay, sold out, sold out. Why? No, they don't have.
Ano gusto mo?
Ay, basta. They don't have sandwich. Samuel Montano, Montan.
Ano ka gusto mo?
Montaño. Sa ilang Hindustani, sa ato niya Hindutani. Siyang palbubuang. Hindutani. Buangan yung kagpalo pag sure. Hindi ko alam. Wala silang sandwich. They don't have any sandwich. All are rice. But I didn't feel that I want to eat rice. Because I feel same like I'm sick. I really feel same like I'm sick.
Wala tayo kakainin dito. Opo lang tayo dito.
Kuha ka ng pagkain eh. Any pagkain ba? You want to eat dinner, di ba? Ang talino mo talaga, Agpalo, no? Sana all matalino. Wala ka ng iBug. Ano na, panyapon na? Oo, tayo panyapon. Pero ang problema, gusto ko lang mag-sandwich. Parang hindi ko feel na kumain ng rice. Are you joking, Mary Jinx? But I don't like because I respect my country. Agpalo, sabta na. Agpalo. Sabta na siya.
Ano ba sabi niya? Palo?
Sa ano daw, sa kanila daw Hindustani, sa atin daw Hindutani. Sagutin mo yan. Kasalanan mo yan.
Totoo naman yung sinasabi niya.
Alin?
Hindi naman niya ibig sabihin na ano niya yung
Actually, it doesn't mean that she disrespect her country. Because the word that she used is not a really bad word. And yes, it's a joke. She's joking.
Gusto mo ba kumain ng
India.
noodles?
Hindustan in Hindi.
Mine?
Okay? No. Ikaw na lang. Makain lang ako ng punto. Anything you like na lang. Kakain na dinner, di ba? Do you want to eat dinner ba or not? 7:19 na kaya, oh. Maglalakad pa ako pa uwi. Malapit ka na ba dito? Oh, doon ka lang, di ba? It's okay. I can buy bread if I want.
Diyan? Dito. Dito.
Ako ba? Oh, doon ka, di ba? So, doon ako. Yes, I'm joking with my language comparing art to yours, but I don't have say anybody in your language. Hi, love. Good morning. How are you doing this morning? I hope you are doing well. I am watching live from Liberian. Hi, Mana Sambula. I'm fine. How about you? Here is already night. That's why I have already lights. We are inside of the restaurant, but I don't know if we were gonna eat or not because I didn't feel that I want to eat rice. They don't have sandwich or anything here. All noodles and rice. But thank you for watching. Thank you for dropping by in my channel. Please don't forget everyone to hit the thumbs up.